Good morning, team. Looking at the overall spot, you can see the 20 days trying to cross over. It basically pushed up, rejected this 417 zone on the 20-day. If you look at the 180-day, you can see that curvature right here as well too. We are below the 20-day and the 180-day trade line. If we jump over towards the 1 year, we still haven't broken the 1 year trade line on the way up. The 1 year trade line is sitting around 424 over here. So definitely want to watch to see what's going to happen. Like I said, we could always keep on rejecting that. We did bounce strongly off of 405, which is very close to basically that 404 level. You can see in the past we hit 404 before. It kind of double bottom here before we basically started to bounce back in 2021. So this is the key level you want to see us break today. We want to break that 404 level. If you're a bear, the Feds do speak today, so that's one thing to keep in note. They just talked today, and then tomorrow I think Powell basically makes his whole overall statement. But today, definitely want to be cautious. Definitely want to basically make sure you're following the trend. 180-day does look like it wants to cross over as of now. So as long as we stay below that trade line, we can continue a bearish trend. I would watch for the break below 411, and we could start going to 410, which was a previous support yesterday. And once we break 410, we can start pushing down towards this 405 level. So watch for that for the downside. For the upside, watch 414.78, the break of the trade line, and then we could start going to 417, which was a previous resistance level, leading to this overall pullback this morning. Next stock we're going to talk about is going to be Tesla. Looking at Tesla, Tesla is still range bound. I wouldn't trust it unless it breaks 920. Then we can start going in 936, hovering above the basically the 20-day trade line over here. If we start to break it, I think we could start basically pulling back down from 894 down towards that 864 level. Next one we're going to talk about is Facebook. Facebook's looking like a ascending wedge. You can see basically they beat earnings and they're basically making higher lows, right? If I was to draw a line from this level all the way up, you could basically see they're making higher lows. So watch for Facebook for the break of 213, then we can start pushing up towards 220. If not, watch for the break of 209, then we can start basically retesting that 203 level. Last but not least, Apple. Looking at Apple over here, you can see Apple is trending sideways as well. They did bounce off of 153 yesterday with the overall market. So watch for the break of 158. Then we can start pushing up towards the 160 areas. If not, watch for the break of 156. Then we can start basically pulling down towards the 155, maybe even retesting that 153. So that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys all have a great trading day. Make sure you guys practice cautious, use a stop loss, and I'll see you in the chat room later.